Metadata are special properties that can be unique for each device. Most of these properties are automatically assigned to the appropriate device types as soon as the system is installed. For instance, the IP address field is created automatically in the system and assigned to the types that physically have an IP address. Examples of this type of devices are server, switch, PDU, or router. Some of the metadata are assigned to a single type only, and these include the current load field, which is assigned to the CPU type exclusively, defining the current CPU load. In short, metadata are assigned to device types, but the exact values of these metadata are assigned to a specific device. In order to assign metadata to a device, you can use the widget available in the Device Summary view. This view shows the complete list of all metadata that you can set suitable values for. The most important metadata for the server is IP address. It defines the superior IP address of the device. Hostname indicates the hostname of the device. Additional IP addresses provides the list of additional IP addresses separated by commas. MAC address specifies the MAC address of the device, and OS, showing the operating system installed on the device. In addition, you can set values for fields in the SSH settings group, such as SSH username and SSH password. Special metadata types are RAM size, HDD size, SSD size, and CPU cores. These sorts of metadata can take two values, value and real value. The first is the presentation value for the metadata and may contain text and numbers. The second specifies the numerical value of the metadata, which is very important in the process of automatic server matching to the client's requests. This process will be further discussed in another video, presenting the submission and acceptance of the order. Now, if you want to assign a new metadata field to the server, select Settings from the side menu and then Item Type Fields. Next, launch the Add Field form from the Action menu. It'll allow you to add and assign a new metadata to a specific device type. Afterwards, all you have to do is assign the corresponding metadata value in the Device Summary view.